Hi everyone. We're going to find the length of the curve y equals x times square root of x over the interval 0 to 2. Alright, we're going to use this formula here. It's written in terms of y, so we're going to differentiate our y with respect to x. Now I can write this is really x times x to the power of 1/2, which is really equal x to the power of 3/2. So when you differentiate it, you're going to get 3/2 x to the power of 1/2. All right, now that we have that, we can just use our formula. So we're going to use this one since we differentiated our y. Okay, so our length is the integral, and we're going from 0 to 2. And you take your dy divided by dx and square it. So we're squaring. We're going to have square root 1 plus, and then you square it. So we're going to have 3 divided by 2, x to the power of 1/2 squared. All right, and then this is going to be dx. All right, so let's go ahead and straighten this part up. This is going to give you the integral from 0 to 2. It's going to equal square root of 1 plus. Now what happens here is this is going to equal 1. But when you square 3/2, you're going to get 9/4 x to the power of 1. So we don't need to put that 1, dx. All right, let's get our common denominator. So we can write this from 0 to 2, square root. If the common denominator is 4, this would be 4 plus 9x. All right, now when I take the square root of 4, that is 2, so I can pull this out, and I can write this as 1/2, since it's in the denominator. So we have the integral from 0 to 2 of square root of 4 plus 9x. All right, so this is the part dx. This should be dx too. All right, so now we can integrate this, and this is going to be 1/2 that we pulled out, and then we had square root. Let's write this as 4 plus 9x to the power of 1/2. So this is going to give you, when you add 1, you're going to get 2/3 times 4 plus 9x to the power of 3/2. So basically you're adding 1 here, which is 3/2. You divide by 3/2. That gives you the 2/3. And then you have to multiply this by 1 divided by 9. All right. And then we're evaluating this from 0 to 2. This is going to give you, let's see, the 2's cancel here, and 3 times 9 is 27. So you get 1 divided by 27. Now, let's go ahead and substitute in our 2. So you're going to get 4 plus 9 times 2, and this is power to the 3/2 power. All right, and then minus, and you substitute in 0, you're going to get minus 4 to the power of 3/2. All right, let's see what we can get. This is going to be 1, let's do a different color, 1 divided by 27, and this is going to be 4 to the power of 3/2 plus 18 to the power of 3/2 minus, and what I can do is square root the 4 and just write this. So if you have 4 to the power of 3/2, you can write this as square root of 4 cubed, which is going to be 2 cubed. So we'll write this as 2 cubed. All right, now this piece here, so we get 1 divided by 27. This is 22 to the power of 3/2 minus 8. All right, I can expand this a little bit and write this as 1 divided by 27. And this is 22 times the square root of 22, just like this is. All right, and then minus 8. And if you want, this is a good answer here. If you want, you can pull out 2 that's common to both of these. And you could write this as 2 divided by 27 times 11 square root of 22 minus 4. This one is a little better looking. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.